A radioactive isotope X with the half-life of 1.37 into 10 to the power 9 decays to stable nucleus Y. A sample rock from moon was found to contain both X and Y in the ratio 1:7. The age of the rock is, we have to calculate. So, a radioactive isotope keeps converting into Y, okay, keeps decays into Y, and its half-life is clearly given. T half is 1.37 into 10 to the power 9 years. It is clearly mentioned. Now ratio of in a rock at time elapsed t, ratio of number of X to number of Y is in the ratio 1:7. Okay, that is, this is a present number of Nx. So N naught is actually, that is initial number of atoms. What happened? X has been converted into Y because of either alpha decay, gamma decay or beta decay, correct? So initial number of atoms, or population, it is called population of atoms, is Nx plus Ny, correct? Because X initially will be N naught and initially then Y will be 0. So then as it turns out, N naught minus N it becomes, Y becomes N. Ashtu number, so much number of Y gets converted from X. So that is 1 plus 7, that is 8. It is not the exact number, I am only by ratio I am guessing it. Now present number of X atoms is Nx, that is 1, which we regard it as N. So using the formula, N by N naught equal to 1 by 2 time elapsed by half-life of the radioactive sample. So that can be reframed as Nx by N naught. So this is 1 by 2. Time elapsed I have to find out. Age of the rock I have to find out. So time elapsed T means that is age of the rock also. Time elapsed T means it is also age of the rock. So that is 1 by 2, time elapsed is age of the rock. Half-life is given 1.3 into 10 to the power 9 is equal to, Nx is 1, N naught is 8. So 1 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2 whole cube. So since the bases are same, I can compare the powers now directly. That is T by 1.37 into 10 to the power 9 years is equal to 3. Implies T is equal to 4.11 into 10 to the power 9 years. 4.11 into 10 to the power 9 years is the time elapsed once this radioactivity has started, or that is also the age of the rock, where in that rock you find the ratio of X atom in the ratio 1 and Y atoms in the ratio 7. So this is the age of the rock where radioactivity has been started in that rock. So looking at the options, option C is the correct answer.